Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my bolsa Leo inspired design. Start off by painting all of your nails except for your thumb a light blue. Apply a small amount of white polish to the corner of a makeup sponge. Dab off some of the excess and then dab it onto the nail to make a couple of clouds. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use white paint or polish to make a butterfly at the very top of your nail. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use white paint or polish to make a cat standing on its hind legs. Paint some grass under the cat's feet with a medium green. Add depth with short strokes of lighter and darker greens. Seal in your design with a top coat. Paint the tip of your nail with a medium green and then add short strokes of light and dark green. Use dark green to make a flower stem and a leaf. Make a purple flower on the stem. Add a circle of yellow and then add a purple dot in the center. Seal in your design with a top coat. Paint your thumbnail beige. Use a dark, cool-toned purple to make a long rectangle up the center of the nail. Divide the rectangle into 4 square sections. Using the same color, make a curved line to the side of the rectangle and add leaves to it. Use a dark and light purple to add flowers. Add a circle of yellow to each flower and then add a dot of dark purple in the center. Use the same color that you used for the rectangle to write a B, an O, an L, and a 4 in the boxes. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!